Hi students, I wanted to do a quick overview of our Schoology course. This will be the place that you start every day in biology. So first of all, to get there, I think the easiest way is to go to the portal. So type in my.bvsd.org. Once you've logged in there, then search for the Schoology icon. It's this big S with a circle around it. That will bring you into Schoology. Once you're in Schoology, then all of your courses will be laid out here, and you'll find the one that you need for biology. I'll show you with pre-IB biology, for example. Once you click on that course, there's going to be several things that you see. Over on the left-hand side, you're going to see several different icons that you can use. This will allow you to go to the grade book. It will allow you to do some other things like that. You're always going to start on materials, and we'll spend most of our time in materials as well. Once you're there, then you're going to see this screen right here. That's our virtual classroom. So just like a real classroom, there's some resources and stuff that you can get from this space. So some of the things in here are linked. For example, if you wanted to do some corrections on an assignment, then you can click right here to get the corrections form. You should explore that a little bit when you have some time. If you scroll down beyond that, there's going to be a bunch of little buttons that will take you to different places that we will need for class. The biggest one is one that says go to class. You'll use that when it's time for your course so that you're able to meet virtually with the rest of us. There's also some links over here that we won't use every day, but we use a lot of days. So Pear Deck, for example, there's a link right there. If you're coming for office hours, which are Tuesday and Thursday and Friday from 3 to 3:45, and Wednesday from 3:30 to 3:45, you'll visit office hours by clicking right here. There's also sometimes we'll use Kahoot or Flipgrid or Actively Learn. Those are all linked here. There's also these really kind of weird looking buttons that will take you to the biology textbook. If you're in regular biology, then you'll log into that through the portal as well. If you're in pre-IB biology or APIB biology, then there's a link directly to that here. If you continue to scroll down, then you're going to see a bunch of additional buttons for lab groups and study groups. So during our virtual classes, there'll be a lot of time where you work in small groups. Sometimes we'll assign you a specific small group. That's going to be our lab groups. So maybe you're in lab group 4. You click on this to get to the specific room for lab group 4. There's also times where you might just want to work with some other people, very informally, maybe work with your friends. Those will be the study groups. So if there is some independent work time, we might encourage you to choose a study group, click on one of those, then you can work with some other people on your assignments as well. If you continue to scroll down a little bit more, then you'll see our folders. We arrange the class week by week by week, so every week will be a different folder. There is some stuff in this general course documents folder. You might take a look at that when you get a chance. And then for you in the student version, only the week that we're on and the weeks before that will pop up. You can see all of these unpublished ones. You won't see those quite yet. Let's say we're in week 1. If you click there on that week, then there's several things you're going to see in here as well. First at the top, there's always going to be the daily slides. You can use this little button right here to go through the daily slides and see what we're going to do each and every day. You can also follow along with those when we're together in class. Then below that, there's going to be any assignments that we have for the week. Some of these assignments have this little puzzle piece. That's called a test or a quiz, but it doesn't actually mean it's a test or a quiz. It just means that Schoology auto-grades it. You'll also see things that you write more openly here as assignments. So when you get a chance, play around in Schoology. Let me know what questions you have. Thanks.